Yo, welcome back for another video, guys, and today I'm going to be talking about 3 things that changed my trading, 3 things that made me a profitable trader. So without wasting time, I really don't want this video to be long. Let's get straight into it. So for the first thing, I'm going to talk about simplicity, guys. In trading forex, indices, crypto, anything you're trading, you get me, you need to keep it simple. Honestly, those that overthink tend to miss out on so many great opportunities. Because let's say you see a trade, for example, now, and that trade is about to play. Let's say you see a trade, for example, now, and that trade is about to play. You have seen everything you need to see. All you need to do is tap the button, wait for it to play out. But you're there overthinking, but what about this, what about that? So many things that are not even in your strategy. You can end up missing the trade because you spend too much time overthinking instead of acting. So one thing I would really advise is keep it simple. Keep the strategy simple, keep your rules simple. As long as it is a working profitable edge, you're okay. Keep it as simple as possible, because simplicity, keeping it simple, will be the best thing that happens to you, trust me. Now the second thing that can take you from unprofitable to profitable in trading is discipline. We all know what discipline is. Discipline is a virtue that will help anybody in any field if they have it. Now discipline basically is, for me, having a way of life, having certain things you do, certain things you don't do, and doing the certain things you're supposed to do and not doing what you're not supposed to do. Basically having virtues, having do's and don'ts, and sticking to the do's and don'ts. That's discipline for me. Come to trading, you have a rule for yourself, right? I don't overtrade. I trade only New York. I don't trade London. Now discipline, you actually don't trade in London. You only trade in New York. You don't overtrade. You don't reverse trade. If you actually do it, that is when you can call yourself a disciplined trader, and you will see that those your plans that are meant to help you, when you actually stick to them, you will actually be helped. Like your trading is going to go to the next level. Like trust. I don't know how to say, but discipline will take you to the next level. That is what separates unprofitable and profitable traders. This word discipline. A trader can take a trade today. Now we have 2 traders, trader A and B. Trader A and B both took a sell on gold, right? Both of them made $500. So let's say for the next week, market has been choppy, slow, and all that. But then trader A is disciplined. He stays off the market, no setup, no conviction. But trader B is not disciplined. He goes hunting for setup. He's not disciplined. He's really trying to overtrade. He loses $300. Now the following week the market is good. Trader A that stayed disciplined has new opportunities and he makes money, right? Because he preserved his capital, he stuck to his rules, he stayed disciplined. So now instead of coming out of a drawdown, he's adding extra profit. He makes another 500. He's now at 1,000. But then trader B makes another 500, and instead of being at 1,000, he's at 700, and he might still even keep losing, which is more likely to happen on disciplined traders. So now I really hope you learn something from this my little story or analogy I used. That's basically how discipline works. Profitable traders do the do's, they don't do the don'ts. But unprofitable traders, opposites. Simple as that. That is another thing, that trading is that simple. It's you that overcomplicate it. And then lastly, I'm going to talk about consistency. All of you have heard consistency is key, but then do you know that consistency is actually key? Because the first 2 things in my list, simplicity, discipline, they both all add up and lead up to consistency. Yeah, you have to keep it simple, have a simple strategy, simple set of rules to follow, but making sure they are all backed up with data that proves they work. If you don't understand what I mean, you can go to my previous videos. I've talked about having a plan for growing small accounts, making sure it works, how you can backtest and everything, track your data through journaling. So now you know how to you have learned you have to keep things simple. You know that you have to stay disciplined. All you need to do is rinse and repeat. And for me, that is what the word consistency means. I do the same thing, I refine it when it needs to be refined. I keep doing the same thing, I keep refining, I repeat, basically on repeat. Consistency. If you can, let's say you can do the same thing for 1 year, right? And okay, now you've seen the small changes you need to make, you change, you do the exact same thing for the next year, and remember, you have proven this thing works. Tell me you won't be profitable. Tell me you won't be making money in the long run. Obviously you can't tell me that, because those traders that end up not making money, they change, they switch every time, doing things they're not supposed to do, doing things that are not in their plan. Because if you have a plan that is backed up by data, let's say 2 months, 3 months worth of data, and this plan worked, you do it for 1 year consistently, 2 years consistently, the same way it works for that 3 months, it will work for these 2 years, because it is well backed, proven to work, and you're doing it exactly as it should be, with discipline, consistently. So that is basically it, guys. If you really don't understand why I say this, if there's anything you don't understand in this video, do well to leave a comment down below. I'm going to reply. I've really been getting questions asked about this from people in my free Telegram channel. By the way, if you want to join my free Telegram, I'm going to leave the link in the comment section, so you can go ahead, comment section or description, whichever. You can go ahead, join the free Telegram channel community for like-minded traders, and people from there will really asking me to do a video based on this, because I have a motto, and it's 3 words: SDC: simplicity, discipline, consistency. That is all you need. Those are small, just 3 words, but a lot goes under those 3 words. So that is basically it. So do well to like, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Love.